Today I am going to give you a good understanding about a very special part in the English language. That is the simple present tense. You know, in English language there are many tenses, many mean there are 20 tenses. Out of those 20 tenses, I think the most important tense is the simple present tense. So today I am going to give you a good understanding about this most valuable tense, simple present tense. Right? Okay? Let's learn about that. When we make sentences in the simple present tense, we want to know what are the places that we can use this simple present tense. You know, in English language there are 20 tenses. So all these 20 tenses have different uses. So here also I am going to teach you what are the places we use this simple present tense. Right? Okay. So you look at, normally we use this simple present tense for habits and repeated occurrences. For our habits and repeated occurrences, the things that are happening again and again. So if we want to tell such an activity, we use the simple present tense. Again I'll tell you, if we want to tell about our habits or our repeated actions, to tell such actions, we use the simple present tense. Look at this example. He drinks tea at breakfast. He drinks tea at breakfast. Here, he drinks tea. That is one of his habits. With breakfast, he takes a tea. So that's one of habits. To tell such habits, we use the simple present tense. I'll take another example. They drive to work every day. They drive to work every day. This one also one of his habit, or it is a repeated action. It happened last year's days also. It is happening today also. It will happen tomorrow also. That means it is always happening. So if it is always happening, we can say he does it. He drives to work every day. We go to school. This one also repeated action. Yesterday also we went to school. Today also we are going to school. And tomorrow also we will go to school. That means normally as a habit we go to school on weekdays. That is the first usage. You understand? To tell about our habits and repeated action, we use the simple present tense. There are three uses here. The second usage is natural expressions of a situation. If we want to tell about our natural things, the things automatically happen in the environment. If we want to tell such activities, we use the simple present tense. Before we make simple present tenses, we want to know what are the uses of simple present tense. That means the things that are naturally happens. If we take this one, the earth revolves around the sun. This is a natural thing. It's a world truth. It always happens. It's a natural thing. To tell this natural thing, we use the simple present tense. The earth revolves around the sun. It's a natural thing. We'll take this one. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. This one also a natural thing. The things we know, it's a fact. Right? It's a fact. So, when we boil water, at 100 degrees Celsius, it boils. You know that one. So, this is a natural thing. To tell about these natural things also, we use the simple present tense. What's the other usage? We can use this simple present tense to tell about our fixed arrangement. This is present tense. Though this is present tense, to tell about our future action, not indefinite future, our arranged future. To tell about our arranged future, we can use this simple present tense. Look at the example. My mother arrives tomorrow. You think that your mother is in abroad. So from abroad, your mother is planning. She has planned to come tomorrow. That she has arranged everything. So you can say that idea in the simple present tense. My mother arrives tomorrow. The another example here, our holiday starts on the 26th March. This one also the arranged one. These days we are going to school. So on the 26th March, our holiday starts. So we know about that one. The government has taken steps to stop the schools on that day. To tell such our arrangements also, we use the simple present tense. Can you understand? Now I think you have a good idea what are the uses of simple present tense. To tell about our habits or reported occurrences, for tell about natural expression of the situation or fixed arrangement. Right. After we learn these uses, let's go to see how to make a simple present normal sentence. Everybody understand, when we make a simple present normal sentence, this is the formula, this is the structure we want to follow. First we want to take the subject. Here subject must be a doer. That means I teach you here the simple present tense, simple present active voice. Since this is simple present active voice, this subject must do the work of this sentence. Understand? So the subject must do the work of this sentence. Here we use the doer or subject. After that we use the present verb. You know what are called present verbs. Here if we take a normal verb, that verb can take as a present verb. As an example, I say go, play, eat, drink. They are present verbs. Sometimes we want to take present singular verbs also. How do we turn a present singular verb? I taught you in my previous video how to turn a plural verb into singular. Sometimes we add s, sometimes we add es, or sometimes we add ies to turn plural verbs into singular, and we take the plural or singular present verb and the other part. That's the structure we want to follow when we make simple present sentences. Try to say. Then you look at these examples I have made from this structure, right? They play cricket. Here subject is they. After that we use the present verb play, and cricket is the other part, right? This is a simple present sentence. It's a thing that is happening always. The last days or previous days also they played cricket, and tomorrow also they will play cricket, and today also they play cricket in the evening, right? This is repeated action. So to tell this repeated action, we use the simple present tense. They play cricket in the evening. We go to school on weekdays. This one also, you know, simple present tense. This is a repeating action. The other one, my mother gets up early. My parents gets up early. This is my parents' one of their habits. To tell about our habits also, we use the simple present tense. So to tell this type of ideas also, we use the simple present tense. Other one, the flower blooms at night. This flower blooms at night. I am showing a flower. I say, this flower blooms at night. This is a natural thing. This is a thing that happens in the environment. To tell about these natural things or the things happens in the environment, we use the simple present tense. That's why I have taken the simple present sentence to tell such activity also. This flower not bloom, you understand, here blooms. Why? If we take a plural subject, we want to take a plural verb. If we take a singular subject, we want to take a singular verb. That's why I have taken here S, because to turn this one into singular. The lion eats meat. This is the lion. Lion also a singular noun. With the singular noun, we want to use the singular verb. The lion eats meat. That is his habit, or that's his nature. That is its nature. So tell about this animal's nature also, we use the simple present tense. I think now you can understand how to make simple present sentences. You listen this video again and again and put the idea which is in this video to your mind. Right? Okay. Today I am going to wind up. Let's meet with another video. Thank you.